what in the hell is Purple Rain? I've always wondered what this meant. What is
I don't
purple?
even think it's something that I could even explain to you, Mr. Robbie. As a matter of fact, it's something we kind of keep from you white people. We don't let y'all in on everything. We're just now starting to tell y'all to put lotion on your face.
There you go. There you go.
Hey, y'all. Welcome to that Gumbo Life. Hi, my name is Monica Mingo, and I own that Gumbo Life in Gautier, Mississippi. So we'll restore or we could refinish. This is solid tire oak. We can do pretty much anything there. The name of my store, that Gumbo Life, is a metaphor. Just like it takes all types of fabulous ingredients to make a great pot of gumbo, it takes all kinds of amazing things to make a good life. You know me. I like it funky. That Gumbo Life started with me needing furniture for our new house. When I went to look for a table, I was not about to drop $6,000 on a table. That's just not me. I have delicate Southern sensibilities when it comes to that. So I'm like, I can do this. I can find an old table and redo it.
It's a beautiful table.
Look.
Oh my God, the dance.
We're super busy. We repair furniture. All of these dowels need to be brand new. I want all of these out, because look at that age cracking in there. Restore antiques.
So everything on here has been replaced except the hands, the face, and the outer shell of it.
We refinish furniture. We can paint furniture, build custom furniture. The great thing about doing a custom build is that we can put our own stamp into it. We can turn your family heirloom into something functional that you actually use day to day in your home. Okay, what you got here?
Well, it's a piece that we've had in our family for a really long time. It was like our new hi-fi system when we were little kids. I have a dream of making something of it, like maybe a bar.
Ooh. Another great thing about the South, everybody drinks. So we could probably recess this, because this is so cool. I mean, I think this is like the funky part of it here.
So too.
Maybe put a glass shelf so it doesn't really break up any of the structure of it. So here, this would be great for an ice bucket. You can get you an ice bucket made. Okay.
That hasn't been used in a while.
I will honestly say that my business took off for the best when I met Robbie Goff. It was one of those God things.
That looks like micarta. It's a material they use for insulation, but I think we can make it out of oak and it'll be just fine.
I mean, honestly, had you told me 20 years ago that at this stage in my life, my best friend would be a 70-year-old grandfather of 17 in Mississippi, I would have seriously thought you were smoking some serious stuff.
You better be lighting up then, girl. I'm here.
Look at that. Look at there. One of the things that I do to bring value to this teamwork is that when she finds stuff that she makes her eyes twitch, is what she says, I can take it and make it functional.
Mr. Robbie is an old white guy with swagger. He probably doesn't even know what swagger means, but he has swagger, he has flavor.
You liking this music?
The Doobie Brothers.
Yeah. Hey, Blackwater, keep on coming.
I will say that it is music that I am used to in your car.
Mr. Robbie!
Hey!
What do you think about that being turned into like an old industrial coffee table?
Yeah, I like the light.
Of course you do, because that's what I don't like.
One of the things that Monica has enlightened me about, and it's some of the things with black culture I didn't understand. Look at it. Just think about what made this, how they did this.
You think about what made this, I think a lot about who made this.
There's some things in here that I think is interesting on a historical point of view. You don't see a lot of this stuff anymore.
And what I see when I see old stuff, it's like, you gotta remember, black people's history and white people's history. Two entirely different histories from olden days.
I'm a very curious guy, and I've never had the relationship with a black woman or a black man that was as close as our relationship. And in having this relationship, I guess I'm just more comfortable in asking some of the questions that you just normally don't talk about. And she's wanting to teach me. And I greatly appreciate that. And it works out good for both of us. Yeah.
Vice versa.
Yeah.
Mr. Roddy,
Yeah,
what's this?
it's a dry corn shucker.
How you know about all this stuff?
I'm old. I'm old.
Probably my personal favorite thing that I get to do is just the hunt. I love hunting for stuff.
This is the cool drunk uncle stuff here. I'm gonna tell you right now, if a bug or a rat or something comes out here, you on your own, old man. I'm in the car.
I don't know why, but I've always been able to spot the good stuff.
Oh, this is way cool.
That's my Aunt Patsy's chair that she brought from Ohio. I actually would like for you to see if you could redo that for her.
Oh, you know, we can do it.
The major payoff for both of us is in working on these family heirloom pieces. You know, people bring these pieces to us that they've had in their families for generations and generations, and the family lore goes along with it.
Look at this.
Oh, my word.
My father bought it. It was like our first fancy piece of furniture. So my father played Pete Fountain and all the stuff from the jazz players, and we were so excited. Taught me to dance using it, you know. It was so much fun.
Is your daddy still alive or?
No, long gone. So it is special to us.
They bring us this stuff and they're like, I just want to save it. I want to pass it on to my family. And we love that.
The frame itself is exquisite, and when I say that, it's a frame that's based on what's called Meccatura, and in here in the United States we call it Mecca. It's a water-gilded frame.
I just love he knows all
There's such a joy of seeing them see it for the first time. It's magic.
This is your now MCM bar. As you can see, we took the speakers and recessed them to the back. You have traditional mirrored bar cabinet space, and then down here where all the components for the speakers were, we have ice storage now. And the second one, look at how that glides. No more squeak, right? Liquor. I don't know how you guys say it, but we say liquor. Liquor storage. And right here, we have wine bottle storage.
It is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you guys so much.
A friend told me recently that once you hit 50, these memories from your childhood will start flooding in. And that totally ties into what I've been experiencing, because I have so many memories that pop up that I hadn't dwelled on before. I'm very candid about my childhood trauma. I am a child of abuse. So I have all of these memories that just pop up out of nowhere now, and they just flood me. With that, I have like these moments of complete clarity. And I realized that the reason I love doing what I do so much with this furniture is that I want to show just how resilient that solid wood is. So no matter what it's been through, no matter how it's been abused, I can love that and work on that and put in the work to bring that right back to something amazing and beautiful. And that's what I think I have accomplished with, that's what I know I've accomplished with my own life.
One of the things that I most appreciate about what Monica has done in our working relationship is she's taught me that just as in fine art, there's Rembrandt's. There's fine art in furniture too, in design, in color, in the wood selection and everything. And I greatly appreciate that.
Sometimes we gotta go to Tupelo, Mississippi to find it.
Tupelo.
Help.
No, I got it.
You sure?
I'm not that old.
You know you're feeble.
Yeah,
I want to get trouble out of you.
I might be feeble, but I ain't
You
old.
hungry?